I have a magic wand. I can turn this to this or this. And I also can turn this to this. Hello everyone, this is JC from OneNote Lab. Today I would like to share a very interesting prompt with you which you can use to generate image, use ChatGPT or other image generation LLM to convert your kids' drawing into a photorealistic picture. It's very fun to work with. And actually I had lots of fun this morning, so I cannot wait to share this idea with you. I got this idea from a LinkedIn post, and another YouTuber also repeat the same process, so I will share their links down below in the description. You can check it out. At the same time, I extend the prompts capability, and right now we can use multiple different prompts to generate different drawing style. It's very fun to work with. I think you will enjoy with your kid together. Let's get started. The process of this image generation is very easy. You just need to go to ChatGPT's website and then make sure you select the 4.0 model, because this GPT 4.0 has the capability to generate image. And then the next step is to upload the picture for what your kid had drawn, and just open it. And the next step is the copy paste the prompt. You can download from the description down below. Here we copy this prompt for the photorealistic image generation. Go back to the ChatGPT and paste here. And we can submit. And it will just start generate the image. Let's wait. During weekend it might take much longer, so let's wait maybe 5 minutes or 10 minutes. We will come back. Now it's generated, and look at this. It's a photorealistic picture, and it's a robot my kid draw. It's so fun. Imagine if you want to make this thing in real life, how difficult it is. Maybe 3D print, but I don't think you can get this texture. And let's try another one. I have a fun one. I modified the prompt. I think this one is still photorealistic picture, but I change it to make it a Nick toy. You will see what the result looks like. It's very fun. So we upload the picture again. Okay, let's try it again. It will take another 10 minutes maybe, or 5 minutes. Let's wait. Look at this. What a cute crochet toys. I think your kid will like it. And I don't want to waste your time to try all the prompts one by one, but I strongly recommend you to do it together with your kid. I believe that will be lots of fun. Okay, now you can see how easy you can do this generation. You just need to copy paste the prompt to the language model and upload the image. Let me give a quick summary. I think this is a very good way to let your kid to get initial interaction with AI. And it's a lot of fun. With the conversion to different drawing styles, your kid actually can experience and appreciate a variety of artistic expressions. Okay, see you next time and have a lot of fun.